Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to charge any iPhone from iPhone 15. The iPhone 15 series models are the first to come with a USB-C charging port. You can use them as an emergency charging solution to charge Apple Watch and AirPods in the wired mode. Also, the USB connector lets you charge your Mac and iPad too. Charging any iPhone with a USB-C or Lightning cable from the iPhone 15 series is possible, because the iPhone 15 series models support reverse wired charging. That's why the charging flow runs from a high battery level to a low battery level device. If you have another device with a USB-C port, ensure your iPhone 15 series has enough battery to share with another iPhone. So, check the battery level by swiping down from the top right corner of your iPhone and looking at the battery icon. Then, connect them through a USB-C connector. You will see that another iPhone is charging via iPhone 15. That's it. If you have another device with a Lightning port, connect it to your iPhone using an Apple USB-C to a Lightning cable. The less battery iPhone will get charged through iPhone 15. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks videos.